Hey, this is your favorite tech, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your account name for your computer on Windows 10. It'll apply for earlier versions of Windows as well, and we're assuming that you're using your local account name and not your sign in with Microsoft. So you're going to go to your menu and go to Control Panel. Then you're going to put your icons on large as you see here, and we're looking for user account. Click that, and you're basically going to click change your name, and then right here you can type your new name. And you just click change name, and just like that, your name is changed. Keep in mind, we do tech support. If you need help, we can remote into your computer and help you with your tech problem. Just text the number on the screen or find the number in the description. Also, you can check us out at repairmystuff.net. As always, I'm your favorite tech out. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.